ఇస్తాను.
Okay. Okay, fine. Next item. Set up background job for GRIR clearing account. 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 So first, what we need to create? We need to create the variant. So you remember recurring document? In which T-code you created a variant for recurring document? F.14 we created. And what was the program for recurring document? Can anyone confirm?
SAPF 120.
SAPF 120. So for this GRIR clearing account, the program is SAPF 124. SAPF 124. It's a automatic clearing. Even if you go to F.13, this is also a automatic clearing. Fine. So just try to create a variant. Create a variant. Create a variant. Number one, go to F.13. Number one, go to F.13. Create a variant. Number two, go to SC38. Number two, go to SC38. Go to SC38. SC38. Enter the program. Go to SC38. Enter the program SAPF 124. SAPF 124. SAPF 124. SAPF 124. SAPF 124. And fill the data. Fill the data. Company code 5101. Company code 5101. Company code 5101. So, and can anyone confirm what is assignment I need to enter?
No.
ఎంటీ వదిలేయాలి.
Sorry, Roja.
ఎంటీ వదిలేయాలన్నా అంటే అక్కడ అసైన్మెంట్
Why?
ఇస్తే అక్కడ పర్టికులర్ PO నెంబర్ ఇస్తే దానికి మాత్రమే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ జాబ్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది కదా.
Yes. If you give any specific assignment, it will be only working for the specific assignment. It may work for manual process of F.13, but when you automating in a background job, this F.13, it is not suggestible to give any assignment number. We just make it as a blank so that whenever assignment matches, automatically it will check and it will just clear the balances. So that's why you just keep it blank. And under this run, we are not running customers. We are not running vendors. So we don't have to select. we are running GL accounts. So we'll have to select a GL accounts and enter the account number 140,999. Enter the GL account 140,999. Select the GL accounts. Enter the GRI clearing accounts. Say 140,999. Completed. Once completed, then go down. So when you're running automatic jobs, you should not keep this as a test run. If you keep this as a test run, the job will be continuously running, but it won't generate any clearing documents. So we should keep this as a unselected. We should keep test run as a unselected. We should keep test run as a unselected. And click on save. Don't execute here. We just go with the save. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save and enter the variant. Enter the variant ZR2R. ZR2R underscore GRIR underscore 5101. ZR2R underscore GRIR underscore 5101 and description GRIR auto clearing for 5101. GRIR auto clearing for 5101. Just click on save. Variant Z auto underscore GRIR underscore 5101 save. So next step, setup, 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 setup background job for setup background job for GRIR clearing account. Setup background job for GRIR clearing account. Transaction code is SM36. Transaction code is SM. Transaction code is SM36. Enter the job name Z underscore GR/IR underscore clearing underscore 10 minutes. So what do you mean by 10 minutes? I want to run this job each and every 10 minutes. So that whenever GR and IR posted, it will just go and log off your GR and IR balances there. If you want to set up daily, you can set up it. If you want to set up weekly, you can set up it. It's up to the client requirement. So based on data value, we can set up these background jobs. We cannot say exactly 10 minutes it has to happen. We cannot say daily it has to happen. It's all depending upon the data value which is processed by the clients. Completed. Just click on the step. Just click on the step and enter the name. Enter the name with your program SAPF 124. Enter the name with your program SAPF 124 and enter the variant. Enter the variant which is ZR2R underscore GRIR underscore 5101. Enter the variant with ZR2R underscore GRI underscore 5101. Just click on check and save. Click on check and save. Okay. Now just go back to one step. Go back to one step. See, right now the status is scheduled. The status is scheduled. We need to set up now start time and what is the job frequency. So click on start condition. Click on start condition. As you know already here, if you want to run immediately, you go with immediately. If you want to run some specific time and date, you just use some specific time and date. So here I'm going to give today's date, and right now the time is 1 hour 42 minutes PM. I'm going to set up this one at it's like 13 and 50 minutes seconds 00. So I'm saying I want to start this job in the next 8 minutes. This is the start date of your job. But what is the frequency of your job? If you want to run daily, you need to go with the daily. If you want to run, as you know, weekly, you can go with the weekly. If you want to run hourly, you can go with the hourly. But what is our requirement is? Our requirement is every 10 minutes, we want to run this job. So if you want to run this job, which with every 10 minutes, you just go to period values. If you look at here, there is no minutes options. So we just have to go with the period, other period, and just go with the 10 minutes. Start condition, it gives a pop-up. Here you just enter schedule start date and the time. Once you've done that, you just go with the period values. And in the period values, you just give how much frequency you want to run these jobs. So for me, I want to run 10 minutes each job. So there is no minutes option here. I went to other period. So in other period, we have months, weeks, days, hours, and minutes also. So I'm going with the 10 minutes. Okay. So just write down this one. Completed.
Completed, Anna.
Yeah. Just check and save it. See now, this plan start is today at afternoon 1 hour 50 minutes, and the frequency is 10 minutes. So from this time onwards, every 10 minutes it is going to run. Like once it run at 50 minutes, then it will go for 2 o'clock, then it will go for 2:10, 2:20, 2:30. It's like that. In between, if you have any GR and IRs, if that is matching with if the balances are matching with the assignment, it will just go and knock off the your debit and credit balances. Just click on save. Your job has been released. Job Z_GRIR_. Clearing_. 10 minutes. Saved with the status released. Completed. Next, write down. Next, write down. Display job status. Display job status. Display job status. Transaction code is SM37. So here enter your job name. Z_GR/IR_. clearing underscore 10 minutes. Select all the status and just click on execute. See, right now it is under release status. So still it has not started with the date and time. So we will check now what is the planned date and planned time. Just go for the layout. So schedule start date and time. Okay, so this supposed to start at 1:50. Now till the time is 1:48. So we left with 2 more minutes. Let's wait 2 more minutes and see. So parallelly, I'm just go and open a PL3N. Right now, how many transactions? Right now we have 65 transactions. Once this job runs, most of the line items will be cleared from open items to cleared items. So there is a 1 more minute left. Yeah, now it is 1 hour 50 minutes. So it's running with the delay 53 seconds. Yeah, it's been completed now. How many seconds delayed? 56 seconds delayed, and the processing time it took 3 seconds. And immediately what happened? Again, there is a next job that is same GRIR. So when it is going to run, it is going to run at 2 p.m. Okay, so just write on this one. Just write down notes, this one. Just write on this selected checkbox, this line item. Completed. Just click on the job log. See, this is the program we used and this is the variant. That means this job has completed with your own data with a 5101 company code data. And if you look at this status, this program run is a production run. Fine. Now next, go back and click on the spool. Click on the spool. Click on the spool. Click on the spool. So you don't have to write this one, just understand. In the spool, it will show you the output of your background job running of f.13. So here the first items, it is updated a clearing document because in the first 4 documents is same assignment and it has a zero balance. That's what it is generated clearing document. And down there, there are a couple of POs where they have only goods receipts. It doesn't have any invoice receipts. So that's why it was not able to clear. And if you look at this specific PO 17429, it has a GR for, sorry, yeah, it has GR for 1500 value, but only IR has happened for rupees 150. So there is still a deviation in the GR value and IR value. So it was not able to clear. And if you go down there, there is a 181 document, GR and IR matching, 182 document, GR and IR matching, and 183 document, GR, IR, both are matching. It's like this. You don't have to write this one. You can just go to the spool and validate this. Clear? So once you write on this one, just move on to the GRIR. Just move on to the display GL line item report for GRIR account. If you look at here, there are 65 transactions. I'll just go and refresh now. See how many transactions it become? It become 10 transactions. So all 55 documents has been cleared off because those have zero balance at their assignment level. Now, if you look at this assignment, see 423, there is a only GR, 424 only GR, 425 only GR, 426 only GR, 427 only GR, 428 GR, 429. There is a GR, but there is a little bit quantity of IR, and there is a 434 only GR, 436 only GR. So there is most of the POs doesn't have IRs. That's why all these POs under still waiting for IRs in the open items. Is it clear, everyone? So this is the power of GRIR auto clearing through F.13. Fine. And you can write on the next step, that is display GL line item report. Display GL line item report FBL3N. Click on open items. Click on open items. Next item. Only 10 line item displayed under open items. Only 10 items displayed under open items. Only 10 items displayed under open items. Rest of the 55 transactions went to cleared items. Rest of the 55 transactions went to cleared items. Okay. So go back and click on cleared items. Go back, click on cleared items and execute. See how many are there? There are earlier there were 8 transactions. Now current run it went to 55 plus 8, it become 63 transactions. You can just write down, click on cleared items and execute. Total transactions displayed 63. 63. Earlier transactions were 55. Current transactions were, sorry, earlier transactions were 8 transactions. Current transactions were 50.